Hello, my name is Peter Kramer. I'm the Assistant Dean for Graduate Programs at Washington University School of Law. And I and the other professors in this class would like to welcome you for the next 8 weeks of Legal English. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I was in charge of the team that developed this Legal English class. And I'm very excited about this class because I think it is unique. First of all, my experience is something that I drew heavily on when we designed this class. I was trained as a civil law lawyer, like many of you, many years ago. But then I also taught legal English for over 15 years at places like Indiana University, Georgetown University, Harvard, and now at Washington University. And I also got an LLM, so I went through that whole process of getting an LLM and how difficult it can be at times. So my personal experience and my professional experience really helped me design the class as it is. So what you see now is the unique combination of learning legal English, and that's vocabulary, grammar, and all of that. But at the same time, what you will also learn is you will learn how to think like a US lawyer. So you will learn how to think like a common law lawyer, which means when you're done with this class, you are ready to enter an LLM classroom, or if you practice law, then maybe you can just go back into your practice and practice US law like a US lawyer with the kind of skills, the legal English that is necessary to do that. So, what can you expect in this class? Well, in this class, again, we have a mixture of legal English and legal analysis. So, you will read cases, just like what you would do in practice or what you would do in an LLM classroom. We will have contracts classes throughout the 8 weeks. But these cases will teach you a lot. They will teach you, the vocabulary that's necessary in a contracts class, but also in a law class in the United States. These cases will teach you how to read a case, how to understand what the important parts of a case are, and we will help you all along the way to understand those parts. Then the other thing that you are going to learn is you're going to learn legal analysis. You will be able at some point to compare those cases and think like a common law lawyer and compare the facts of the cases and then decide what maybe another case might turn out to be based on that. All of these skills, speed reading skills, note-taking skills, outlining skills, will ultimately help you understand the classroom and the practice. And when you graduate in 8 weeks from now, I am very confident that you can either go into an LLM program or go back into your practice and communicate successfully with other lawyers. With that, I'm looking forward to working with you over the next 8 weeks, and I can tell you this is going to be hard but very rewarding. Thank you very much and have a good day.